to the Mr. G Computer Science channel. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Once you've had a chance to watch the video, please give us a thumbs up. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm. So the prerequisites of this exam question is that you are fluent in converting from decimal to binary and binary to hex. I'll put video links underneath this comments if you haven't watched those videos already. So let's have a look at the exam topic for today. In this case, we're looking at image data representation. A pixel within an image has its own color. The color is determined by mixing different intensities of red, green and blue. This is known as the RGB value. Each of these three colors of RGB has its own 8-bit binary number. This gives us a range of 0 to 255, or 256 variations of red, 256 variations of green, and 256 variations of the blue. When we mix these three colors, we get our full color palette. The table shows some colors that are used within an image. Each color has a 24-bit binary value. Complete the binary value column and the hex column. The first four have been completed for you. So let's just look at some examples. Let's start with red. Red has a value of 255, which when converted into binary is 8 ones. Now we need to convert this binary value into hex. We do that by looking at the first group of 4 binary digits, and that equates to the first F. We then look at the second group of 4 binary digits, and that gives us the second value, which is also F. The second 2 bytes are all zeros, therefore they equate to 0, 0. It's worth remembering that for every 4 binary digits equates to 1 hex digit. So let's look at a more complex one now. Let's look at purple. So purple has an intensity of 128 for red, and also the same value for the intensity of blue, with a 0 value for green. So we convert our 128 to binary and we get this 8-bit binary pattern. So remember, we take the first 4 binary digits, convert that to hex to give us 8. The second set of binary digits to give us the 0. And we continue that formula across the whole of the 24-bit number. So let's look at slate grey now. The red value has a decimal number of 112, which equates to this 8-bit binary number. So we need to convert that now into hex. So if we highlight the first 4 digits, that gives us the hex value of 7. The second 4 binary digits will give us the value 0. And we continue this methodology throughout the remaining 2 bytes of data. So that's how we can create all our intensities of color to create our full color range palette. We can now convert our decimal values to binary, binary to hex values for each of the colors within a given pixel. If you'd like to know more about RGB colors, here is a link to a website that allows you to choose colors using the color picker, or you can put in the decimal values of the intensities of RGB and it gives us the hex value. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up for the video.